Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter free play mode and other modes on Dress to Impress. I'm actually already on free play mode here, but if you go to this area, you'll find it on the normal servers, normal mode as well. So here, for instance, I want to go to free play mode. I'm already in it. Just select join. There's also VIP exclusive servers, pro exclusive servers, and regular servers. So if I'm just going to join here, and it's going to teleport me to the regular server. And it can teleport you to any time here. You can also go from the lobby. Thank God it spawned me in the lobby so I can show you. But there's this one here where you can teleport to the free play mode. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.